Thinking about opening a money market account at Patriot Bank? But you've got a crucial question, and it's one a lot of people have. Does a Patriot Bank MMA come with a debit card or check writing? It's the difference between a high-yield savings account and a flexible, everyday tool for your money. A money market account, or MMA, is kind of like the best of both worlds. It earns a higher interest rate than a typical checking account, but it also gives you more flexibility than a standard savings account. That's because many of them offer limited check writing capabilities and a debit card. So you're not just stashing your money away, you can actually use it. Now, let's talk specifically about Patriot Bank. When you look at their money market account, you'll see it's designed to give you that blend of high earnings and easy access. Patriot Bank's MMA does, in fact, offer both check writing and debit card access. This means you can get to your money when you need it, whether you're paying a bill with a check or making a quick withdrawal at an ATM. It's important to remember that most money market accounts, including this one, have transaction limits. While Patriot Bank's MMA allows for check writing and ATM withdrawals with a debit card, you'll want to check the fine print for any monthly transaction limits to avoid fees. So, to sum it up, yes, Patriot Bank's money market account is a versatile tool that combines the benefits of a high-yield savings account with the flexibility of a checking account. It comes with both check writing and debit card privileges, making it a powerful way to grow your money while keeping it accessible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.